Alright, you guys ready?
Wait, she didn't rough that.
Alright, everybody. We are on our way to Walmart to get McKenna for her... What are you getting, McKenna? Robo Doggy. And to get Dylan his... Dylan, what are you getting again?
A drone with the camera on it.
A drone with the camera on it, that's right. And it is a big one. Alright, so we will check right back in. Alright, we made it to Walmart. So, for me, McKenna, and Dylan, we always have to look around and get our blue shopping cart.
Now we're gonna park right here beside. Okay.
So, this is our ride, by the way.
Okay.
You'll get it?
Daddy, I'm gonna ride on it while I push it.
Okay, you guys are gonna ride on it while I push it? So, since we're on the golf cart, watch your leg.
I got it.
Alright. We're going to pull it up.
Now you get tired.
Alright. You guys ready? I'll pull you up. Alright. Alright. We made it. Alright. We are heading in so McKenna can get her Robo Dog and Dylan can get his big drone. Alright, we made it. Which one is it, Dill?
The big one at the top.
And this one?
Yeah. Alright, we got the last one.
Oh, it's got a camera?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can add a phone on it.
Oh, you have to?
You don't have to.
It comes with one?
Yes.
It comes with the screen?
No. Alright, get on. Got it? Alright, let's go see what McKenna got. There is? Let's look really quick.
There's a black one in. See? Aww.
So which one are you gonna get?
This one.
And how much is it?
Right there.
Oh my god. Alright, so which one are you getting? Let me see. Playful Pup. Your new best friend. Alright, let's go. Alright, we made it. You guys ready?
You could teach her over 25 tricks?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes, you can teach her over 25 tricks. All right, we made it home. You have the charger? All right.
Or you need batteries. Yeah, she definitely needs batteries. Yeah.
Let's go upstairs and open Dylan's drone and
I know my
and
drone
McKenna's
needs
RoboPup.
My.
What do you guys say for your toys?
Thank you.
All right.
It's not. Look at it. It's not even taped.
It's not?
No.
Oh. Here, just don't rip the box. Pull it out. Oh, I guess you can't.
Here it is.
That's your drone?
Is it supposed to have nothing? Oh yeah, I need. Oh, get my blue knife for you.
Back leg stops moving. Don't worry. Check out the instruction guide for a quick fix. Here, cut it under here.
Oh yeah. There. Colored eyes to
Hold
show
that.
you what she likes.
So it's facing down here.
And then same things.
Man, this is a cool drone.
Yeah. Yay. Is there supposed to be something right here?
I'm not sure.
I'm gonna check on the box.
Oh, cool. There's the spot for your phone on the controller.
You can lift it up.
And there is the controller.
And you can please have.
There's some extra
How do you
blades.
put this on?
Let's see.
Where's the junctions?
Just like that.
Just like what? What?
Oh, so you could put your phone on there.
Oh, you're supposed to hold it like that. I guess.
All
Let's
right.
see if this is even charged.
Let's get it set up, put batteries in it, and we'll take it for a flight. I think we have batteries, huh, Dill?
I don't like the workers
Where?
at Walmart.
Why don't you like them?
Cause it's not charged.
Yeah, I know. Okay. You want to go hook it up to charge? No, that was it.
Why is it working? Can it be on when it's charging? Can it be on when it's charging?
Yeah.
But when you use it a lot, it starts to charge a lot.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
This is the Zoomer Playful Pup.
I was trying to read Zoomer.
Do you want me to open it,
I
McKenna?
was trying to read that Zoomer.
Here, hold this on your pup.
On my phone.
And we'll show how difficult it is to open this. All right, there's the RoboPup in all its glory.
Can you?
We are going to attempt to pair the controller with the drone. So the directions say to turn the drone on. Whoa, look at those cool lights. Has a little camera on it too.
Wait, this moves.
All right, so turn the drone on. It does?
Yeah.
Okay, so it says turn the drone on and then turn the controller on. And then the directions say to push the left joystick up and down, and when it beeps, it is connected. There it goes. we got the camera. You can't really see it that well, but we got the camera hooked up to the drone, and it is ready to go. So take off slowly, Dill. Come back this way. Come back this way. Oh! Man, that was a pretty good...
I see the grass.
That was a pretty good first time, huh?
I see the grass.
You do?
Yeah.
So that is Dylan's new drone.
See where I'm going. See where I'm going. See where I'm going. See where I'm going.
Whoa, 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 don't turn so hard. Turn back this way. Turn this way. This way.
Did I change her to C?
No. It's on.
What's she doing?
Yeah, Dylan, I think we could do that.
What's she doing?
I don't know what she's doing. Say, puppy sit.
Puppy sit. Sit. Puppy sit. Okay, good girl. Sit. Puppy sit. Puppy sit. Puppy sit. Puppy sit. Puppy sit. Puppy sit. Good girl.
When you want to give it a command, you press the button on the back until the lights turn blue. And then...
Puppy roll over. She did it. Come here.
How about press the button on her back? Press it and hold it till the lights turn blue. And now say, let's dance.
Let's dance.
Or
Let's dance. Let's dance. Oh, she's dancing. She's singing her.
all right, press the button on her back again. Want a treat.
Want to treat? Which one to?
Can say, time to go pee.
Time to go pee. Time to go pee. What the? Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. I want one. I want one. Shake a paw.
You want one? You like that better than your drone?
Shake a paw. Oh, I love you.
How about let's dance?
I know what to say. Say something. Say something. Now she's dancing.
Well, there you have it. There is the drone.
Is there anything else?
Try lie down.
I don't like it.
There's the drone, and there is a robotic puppy.
I want a puppy. I want a puppy. Let's dance. I want a puppy. say something.
McKenna, you press the button on the back till the lights turn blue, and then you say it. You don't have to hold the button down.
Say something.
What, Dylan? All right, McKenna.
Yeah.
Tell our viewers, thanks for watching and please subscribe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
What'd you say?
Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
All right. Guys, thanks for watching. We've had fun opening Dylan's drone and McKenna's robotic toy. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
No! That was you.